How you doing, everyone? My name is Jermaine, and welcome back to Team Fortress 2. Now, like I said in my last video, I was going to use my capture card, and I actually figured out it was a lot easier to set up than I thought. But yeah. And it won't take about a week to upload, which is also good. Now, I did kind of make a video on this, but it was 41 minutes long. And I tell you, I'm not going to make a 41-minute video unless I'm going live. But, so I decided to stop the recording and delete that footage. I'm going to see if there's another map I can join. Maybe Twofort? Don't mind, no. What about this one? If I can't, then I'm just going to have to go to the one with Dust Bowl. I don't really like Dust Bowl, though. It's... okay. Let's just go to the one in Dust Bowl, I guess. Come on. Are you serious? Join quick match. There we go. Okay. It's attack and defend. There will be more people in this one, so there should be more action. There were about 4 people in the last game I played. More action, definitely. Blue or red? Let's do red. And I'll pick Scout. I think we're defending. Yeah, we are defending.
Mission ends in 30 seconds.
Alright. But yeah, there was really nothing going on in the other server besides just engineers building dispensers, just random stuff like that. Like that. It really wasn't that interesting. We win? Overtime. How much overtime? Yeah. I didn't do anything, but we won. The reason the Scout runs fast is because when he was younger, if he wanted to... alright. If he wanted to beat up anyone, he had to be faster than his brothers. That's why he learned to run fast. He actually runs 22.2 miles per hour. 6 players each. 7 players, 5 players, 8 players, 4 players. Waiting for the host, which is probably Don't Mind Me. Let's see what he's all about. Actually, no. Down in the comments below, I want you to answer... okay, starting 15 seconds. I want you to answer, do you play Team Fortress 2? And if you do, who is your favorite class? And like I said in my last Team Fortress 2 video, you will never ever see Fortnite on my channel. Because I don't play it. I play this. I don't like Fortnite. What can I say? If you look up Fortnite versus Team Fortress 2, there are going to be videos and pictures depicting the similarities between the two games. One thing that Team Fortress 2 that Fortnite really doesn't have is Team Fortress 2 will never die. The internet will not let Team Fortress 2 die, and I'm happy about that. Okay. Come on. Oh, it's Twofort now. Great. That's what I wanted, but there was... yes! I'm so happy that this is Twofort. I'll show you... yes! Oh, there's a scout there. Okay. Oh. Who else is on my team? We got a soldier. Actually, let me check. Soldier, a sniper, and 2 people who are choosing. Let's do this. Uh-oh. Let's just go down. Okay. There's no health packs really on this map, but that's okay. Okay, there's sentry there. I think you can get rid of it. With like a demo man, if you go under the bridge and shoot sticky bombs, you could probably get rid of it. Hey! Teleporter going up. Ooh! There was a spy! Great! Let me try my theory with Demo Man. With the sticky bombs under the bridge. You can actually see what the classes are holding, or what they have, in their locker when you first spawn in. Okay, so sentry is right in that corner, so if I shoot sticky bombs here, I didn't get the sentry. Hey, let's try there. I blew myself up. Are you serious? I thought I backed far enough away. Okay. I'm gonna switch to engineer so I can. Actually, no, I'm not gonna. No. I'm not switching to engineer. I don't want this to be a repeat of last time where I just stay in the intel room. I don't want to be a repeat last time where I just stay in the intel room and just wait for and just build a sentry and wait for someone to show up. No, I'm not going to do that. Can I burn it? I don't know if I can. I know that you can. Come on. Do something. He was not a good shot. He had his shotgun out. He shot twice and missed me. I don't think there's any time. It's just capture the intelligence. Yeah, there's no time. I want to get rid of that sentry.
The enemy has dropped our intelligence.
Oh gosh. Come on. Under the stairs. Okay. You can barely see it. Now I'm just going to try to shoot it.
The enemy has taken our intelligence.
Did I get him? Yes! That's amazing.
Alert. The enemy has taken our intelligence.
Yes, he got rid of it. Okay, now I can change the scout. Okay, this is gonna have to be quick. This is gonna be really quick. Cause I don't know if there's another sentry gun or not. I'm blue? Yeah. Oh gosh. If I quit recording, it's because my Mac is at really low battery.
The enemy has secured our intelligence.
I'm sorry if I quit recording because I just want to get one. I just want to get 1 point and then I'll end it because I need to charge my MacBook. I didn't charge it last night because my dad had to use the charger. Come on, hurry. No. Urgh! Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, we took it. We took it again. And he dropped it. Where did he drop it? I think I know where that is. I'm not sure. Ugh. I need to find my charger. Come on. I believe I know where he dropped it. I'm not certain though. He dropped it right there. Ugh. Okay. I don't know what to do. I have one idea. I have one idea of what I could... Oh god. Don't screw with me now, controller. Do not mess with me now.
We have taken the enemy intelligence.
We took it. Where is it? Where is it? We took it. Where is it? Oh, there it is. I don't know who has it. If anyone. Oh. What are you doing? Go! Okay. He's going. Oh, he need more health to... rocket jump.
Success. We have secured the enemy intelligence.
Oh, I got hit. I got hit. Come on.
We have taken the enemy intelligence.
If you're an engineer, you are very, very good at this map. Because you can just... Okay, I at least want to get 1 point for the team. Uh-oh, uh-oh. No, 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 no! Urgh! I would have a better chance if I ran out that way. Come on. There's a blue demo man who's actually a red spy. Hello. Okay. He has a better sentry now. Okay. We got 1 point. I think I'm going to end that here because my MacBook is about to die. And that will end the recording abruptly. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, hit that like button and consider subscribing. And I'll see you all next time. Hey, doll.